In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a tube in Blender. So just starting from the beginning, just take this thing and just delete it. And we're going to need to use these curves in here. So I'm going to go to this Bezier curve. And these are a little tricky to deal with. To edit some of these things, you have to go into edit mode and change them up a little bit. You can grab the points, reposition them. You can also grab these edges. So they're a little bit of an animal to work with. You can also E to extrude to kind of make more, but they're pretty interesting to work with, and you can create all kinds of shapes with those. So, but getting back to creating a tube, once we've got our curve in there, we go to add curve and then add a circle. And what this is going to be the thickness of our tube. So if I press S, I'm just scaling it down. I selected it and just scaled it down a little bit. And from there, we're going to select this guy right here and go to my curves over here, my object, and scroll down to where it says bevel object, and you're just going to click on that and choose basically the object you have over here. And that's pretty much how you'll create that little tube on there. Kind of a cool thing, you can still come in here and press S to scale and make that thicker or thinner if you wanted to. You do have to keep this, because if you get rid of it, it'll just wipe away that tube. So if you don't want that to be in your rendering when you're done, if you press M and then just move that to maybe one of the last layers so you don't have to see it and stuff. And just remember that to get to that, you just come over here to look at that to resize it. But that's how you would create a tube.